Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Easy Explanation. In this video tutorial, we'll be learning about the concept of this pointer in C++. Learning the concept of this pointer, what is the use of this pointer, significance of this pointer and all. So what is this pointer? So this pointer is a special pointer variable available in member functions within the class, and it is used to refer the current object for which the function is called. It means by using this pointer we can refer to the current object for which the particular function is called. Let us say we have a class called as a test and we are creating an object called as a obj, and suppose we are calling the function obj dot, let us say function name is call me. Now we have defined a class something like this, class test, and let us say we have something called as a void call me function defined in the class. Now since you can say the call me function here is being called with reference to object called as a obj. Now in order to, since there is no way to refer this object obj inside this function call me, so in order to refer to that particular object inside the function we'll be using this keyword. So now this keyword is used to refer the object obj from the function call me over here. Now since this is a pointer, so this pointer holds the address of the object obj here. So what you can say is, since this is a pointer, so this pointer here holds the address of object obj of class test. So we can say that this pointer is used to refer the current object. So in the definition for this pointer is, you can say simply something like this. So this pointer is used to refer the current object. Now inside the member function we can use this pointer to refer the members of that particular object. So in member function we can use this pointer to access member. So member can be variable, instance variable, or function for that particular object, So this is the concept related to this pointer. Another uses of this pointer is, you can say something like this, another uses of this pointer is we can use this pointer to avoid name collision between instance variable and constructor or function parameter. So in order to avoid the name collision between, like if you have a same name as the instance variable name, and if you have a function, if you have a function parameter that has the same name as the instance variable name, in this case there can be a confusion. So you can avoid this confusion or collision of these names or namespaces by using the concept called as this pointer. So now let us understand this concept one by one through code. So for that I have written a code called as a test underscore this dot cpp. So C++ program to understand the concept of this pointer. for that hash include IO stream using name space std. Let us create a class called as a test over here. In class test, let us declare a private data member called as int data. Then I will define some public constructor, something like this, public test, and let us say if I'll write something like this, int data, and if I'll write data is equal to data, you can see int main, and let us try to create an object for class test. Return 0 test obj, and if I'll write this 10 over here, now if I'll compile this code and execute, so g++ dest underscore this dot cpp and dot slash a dot out. So you can see, although it's not showing any error, the compiler will get confused. So something like this, you can see the member variable name is also data and the function parameter is also data. Now in order to differentiate that, what we can do is we can use the this keyword inside this test constructor or this constructor. So what we can do is we can use this keyword. So since this is a pointer that holds the address of the current object is obj, and we are referring this current object obj and its data member data by using this pointer over here. Means we are referring this obj inside the constructor by using this keyword. It will work something like this. Now let us say this is the memory allocated for the object with the address 1000, and it have a member variable called data with value as 100. Now the object obj is also referring at the address of 1000, and this pointer also referring at the address of 1000. So in this means this is what this pointer is all about. It holds the address of the current object, and we are accessing this data member of obj, which is data, by using this arrow pointer and assigning the value over here. So that is one of the uses of this pointer. Now let us say I am writing one more method over here, void display. So let us say something like this, void display value is equals to, you can simply write this pointing to data and in L. And if I'll write something like obj dot display, now since we are calling this display method with reference to object obj, so the display method is being called with reference to object obj. So here this keyword refers to the object obj that is used to call the method display. So here this is used to refer the current object which calls the method display. In this way you can understand the concept of this pointer in C++. So mainly this pointer is used to refer the current object inside a member function. Inside a member function we can use this pointer to refer to the current object. So this is all about the concept related to this pointer. If you have any question or queries, please let us know in the comment section. And now let us discuss some of the multiple choice question related to this pointer over here. So what is the purpose of this pointer in C++? So the answer, there are so many options. So the answer is C. It points the current object for which the member function is called. So in order to refer to the current object inside a member function, we'll be using this pointer. When is this pointer implicitly available in the member function? So the answer is when the member function is declared as a constant. Which of the following statement about this pointer is true? So this pointer can be reassigned to point to different object. This pointer is only available in a member function of a class. This pointer is automatically deleted when the object goes out of the scope. This pointer can be used to access static data member. So the answer is this pointer is only available to the member function of a class. So if you want to refer the current object for which the function is called, so in order to refer the current object, we can use the this keyword inside the member function. How the this keyword is used to access, how is this keyword used to access the member variable of the object? So the answer I think is not a dot operator. We'll be using this arrow pointer followed by using the arrow pointer followed by the variable name or the function name, something like this. So the answer is this. Will be using the arrow operator pointing to the member variable or member function, member variable or member function. So that is the correct answer, I think. So answer A will be correct answer for this, by using the arrow operator followed by the variable name, not the B. I think this is the incorrect answer. Which of the following scenario is a common use case of the this pointer? So most of the common use case for the this pointer is resolving the naming conflict between the member variable and the function parameter. So in order to avoid the naming conflict between the member variable and member variables and the function parameter, we can use the this pointer. Let us say we are trying to set the value of data over here. So suppose void set data, I'm writing int data, and I'm doing something like data is equals to data. Now let us call obj and set data method with the value as a 100, and let us call obj dot display. Let us see what will be the output of this. So you can see I'm reassigning the value of data with 100. Reassigning the value of data with 100, still we are getting the value as a 10. So the compiler will get confused whether this data is a function parameter that we are referring, or we are trying to refer to the instance variable data over here. So this is a naming conflict. So you can avoid this by using something like, let us see whether this thing will resolve the error or not. So now this pointing to data is referring to the data member of a object called as a obj. Now let us see what will the result over here. So if I'll do like this, if I'll compile this code and run this code, we'll get the value as a 100. In this way you can avoid the naming conflict between the variables, means class variables or instance variable, and the function parameter by using this pointer. So it will be using the arrow operator. So this pointer will be using arrow operator in order to refer the variables as well as the function inside the member function. In this way you can understand the concept of this pointer. So that is all about this pointer in C++. If you have any question or queries, please let us know in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please let us know. Thank you so much everyone.